Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to turn off hiding status and navigation bars while we are taking a screenshot in Samsung Galaxy S22. So where to look for this option and how to turn off hiding of our navigation bars, etc. We need to go to settings, of course. Then in advanced features, we have screenshots and screen recorder option right here. And in here, we have hide status and navigations bars in the screenshot section of our menu. So we just turn it off and that's it. No need to save. We can safely return to our home screen, and that's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.